Hi, my name is Zach. I'm a junior. I've been in this pathway for it's going to be about a year here pretty soon.
Hi, my name is Nakaya, and I'm a sophomore. I graduated in 2025. This is my second year. I took auto the first year, and then I'm in metals the second year.
Hi, my name is Chase McKenzie, and I've been in ag mechanics for 3 years.
My name is Manuel Manzo. I'm 17 years old, turning 18 this year, and I've been in it for all 3 years so far, and I'm a junior.
Some of the things I've learned in this class are how to weld properly, how to cut and arrange sheet metal, how to kind of just put together different parts. We've also manufactured quite a few different pieces in this class, such as bolts, different pieces for tractors, all kinds of different things.
You learn a lot of good skills that could be useful in the workforce. Like you learn how to weld, you learn how to use the forge, all kinds of basic tools that will get you a pretty good career.
You use a lot of big machines and different machines.
I've learned how to use the CNC, which is a computer automated milling machine that we can program.
Learning about different things, learning tools, how to use stuff.
We've made cups, we've made dice, we've made chess pieces, we've made little emblems and whatnot. We've done a lot in this class. That's just a few things that I remember.
After school, I plan to work and attend Shasta College to better my skills and learn a lot more about all the processes of welding.
My plans after school are being a military engineer for possibly tanks.
It's great to try like new things.
It's pretty fun to just learn and be able to create. It's like Legos, but bigger.
This is definitely a fun class. It gives you a lot of opportunities to try out different things. If you're going into a more industrial kind of job later on, such as like engineering or manufacturing, this is definitely a good class to go into. You learn many different skills that are required, such as CNC, welding. We do a lot of different things that would help out a lot in the manufacturing industry.
It's a good class in my opinion because you learn a lot of things that even if you don't go down the career path, it's still helpful. You learn how to make things for yourself, and it's overall just a good skill.